Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to deposit a check on Independent Bank Online. If you don't have an Independent Bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and earn a $50 MasterCard reward card. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on e-Services. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Deposit a Check. Click on Deposit a Check. Now, select the account from which you're going to deposit. Next, enter the check amount. Also, upload the front and back photo of your check. Click on the Choose a File button to upload. After that, click on Make Deposit. That's how you deposit a check on Independent Bank Online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.